Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of KakaoStory with good settings. Here on this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here on this page you'll search about the application of KakaoStory. Then we click on full stop and we click OK. Here we'll enter the storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we'll turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.